Here we are, feeding the animals. We're slowly getting a bit of a flock here. The ducks are having trouble getting to the feed because the lorikeets and the parakeets are taking over. And then of course we've got white parrots which just left. Let's try and take some video of them. And of course Mum was out there lecturing the parrot because he's eating all the food. The poor ducks have to argue with everybody. We've got to buy some more bowls to put the feed in so the ducks get a chance. See if I can enlarge it a bit more. There we are. That's maximum on the phone. We're only 20 feet away. Unfortunately, the parrot's left. The parrot's funny. Very controlling. Well, the ducks have got a chance now. Okay. We've got 4 bowls with feed.
5 bowls.
5 bowls. You've got another one out there now?
Yeah.
Alright, that's where the lorikeet is at the end. Here we go. Tell the ducks to stay. Push off. Yep. The glass get in there and tell the ducks to push off. The lorikeets and the ducks don't do too bad for each other, with each other. But these galahs are a bit more bossy. Then when the white parrots come in, it's a whole different ball game again. Cool. Okay. I'll see if I can catch them in action in a little while. See how it goes. See you soon. Bye.